Students, today we will continue our portion, that is we read molarity, molality. Next is normality. Number of gram equivalent weight dissolved in 1 liter of solution is known as normality. Yani normality means number of gram equivalent weight equivalent of solute divided by volume of solution. Normality means it should be in a normal form. Gram and liters should be equivalent. It is denoted by capital N. Mathematically, normality is equal to capital W by equivalent weight into 1000 by V. Equivalent weight of acid. How we will calculate the equivalent weight? That is, first we will learn how to find the basicity. For example, equivalent weight of basicity of HCl is 1. H2SO4 की देखेंगे तो H2SO4 में its basicity is 2. How? H can replace 1, 2H can be replaced and we can add something. So basicity is 2. In HCl it is 1. Equivalent weight of HCl is equal to molecular weight of acid divided by basicity. In this way we can find the equivalent weight of acid. Same for base. This was for acid. This is for base. Molecular weight of base divided by acidity. In that way we can find the normality. This is a simple topic. For that this example is important. This formula is important. Definition. In 11th standard few things are only given. In higher in 12th you will get more detail. Fourth is mole fraction. It is the ratio of number of moles of one component to the total number of moles present in the solution. What this statement means: if n mole of solvent and n2 mole of solute is present in solution. Yesterday as we discussed what is solute. जो स्मॉल अमाउंट में होता है उसे हम सोल्यूट बोलते हैं और मोर अमाउंट वाले को सॉल्वेंट बोलते हैं और दोनों के मिक्सचर को हम लोग सोल्यूशन बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सोल्यूट इज इक्वल टू, देखो x1 इज मोल इज इक्वल टू n1 डिवाइडेड बाय n1 प्लस n2. मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सोल्यूट, ये सॉल्वेंट की बात हो गई. सॉल्वेंट हम लोग ने n1 लिया है और ये देखो सोल्यूट इज इक्वल टू n2 डिवाइडेड बाय n1 प्लस n2. ये n1 प्लस n2 इज सोल्यूशन. दिस इज ऑल्सो सोल्यूशन. दिस इज सोल्यूट. दिस फॉर सॉल्वेंट. दिस n2 इज फॉर सोल्यूट. सिंपल ये फॉर्मूला ही लर्न करना है कि सोल्यूट इसमें क्या है, ऊपर वाला सॉल्वेंट बाय सोल्यूशन. सोल्यूट बाय सोल्यूशन. सोल्यूशन यानी सोल्यूट और सॉल्वेंट का मिक्सचर. ये हम लोग ने n1 लिया है, ये n2 लिया है, इसलिए नीचे सोल्यूशन का लिखा है n1 प्लस n2. Next is percentage W by W. It is the ratio of weight of solute to the total weight of solution. See, solute plus solvent I have written. That means it is solution only. Solute plus solvent, solution. And weight of solute. How we will calculate percentage W by W with this formula? Weight of solute divided by weight of solution into 100. If you write solution, that is also same. Percentage V by V, volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. What is percentage W by V? Weight of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. Parts per million, what it will come? Weight of solute divided by weight of solution into 10 raised to 6. See here, parts per millions are there. Parts per million, that's why we will write here 10 raised to 6. That time we have to be very careful. 10 raised to 6. In other cases it is percentage, but here percentage is not there. It's 10 raised to 6. Till up to here parts per million we will keep. Next time we will see further. Okay, thank you.